field where freedom cries in pain. Ukraine marches forward through the blood and rain. With NAFO's beams and strength in unity we fight. For Ukraine's victory we'll pierce the darkest night. March on, oh warriors, with strength and might. Through the ashes and the tears, we ignite the light. For the fallen and the brave, we will not despair. With memes and Shiva pride, we'll show we truly care. From Estonia to Ukraine, with trucks and drones in tow, generators humming as the seeds of hope we sow. FPV drones in the sky, anti-drone jammers in our hands. For Ukraine's tomorrow, together we will stand. March on, oh warriors, with strength and might. Through the ashes and the tears, we ignite the light. For the fallen and the brave, we will not despair. With memes and Shiva pride, we'll show we truly care. Courage in our hearts, we push the orcs away. From Kiev to Donbass, we hold the line each day. Convoys roll with donors' might and grace. At Help 99 we stand united in this race. Through the pain and devastation, through the fire and the strife, we stand as one united in this fight for life. With every heart that's beating, with every soul that's free, we'll march on to victory for Ukraine's liberty. March on, oh warriors, with strength and might. Through the ashes and the tears, we ignite the light. For the fallen and the brave, we will not despair. With memes and Shiva pride, we'll show we truly care. Glory to Ukraine, to heroes bold and true. In the name of freedom,